Okay, when we need to install this machine, we have to put this shelf, this working handle on this part. Please match the hole and then turn this button to tie it. And the next step, we should install well this button. Match the hole to the correct position and then press. And last step, tie it, okay? And next, we have to put this tube into this hole. Okay, when you want to remove this tube, we have to press the blue button. Press this blue button first and then pull out of this tube. When we install, we just need to press. It's okay. Okay, next step, we install well this working head. We just need to tie this part. Okay. Okay, when you want to replace another head, we just need to lose this one. Okay. Install well to the correct position and then use a new head and install well again. It is okay. Okay, next step we will install well the foot switch. We just need to put this button to the hole. Please match the hole and then tie it. Okay, now we start the machine. Please press the blue button and then turn the key. We will enter into this screen. Okay, firstly, we have to press the fractional option. In this operation, we can see that this is the treatment shape for option. Okay, you can choose, you can adjust by yourself, increase and decrease the treatment size. Okay, by yourself, and you can also choose the shape here. Okay, treatment shape here, and here you can adjust the power and duration, distance, repeat, overlap, shape, and scan. You can choose. After setting all these parameters, just press ready button. It is okay. And next one is the normal mode. You can see that we can choose the mode here, the pause mode and the continue mode, okay? And here is the power setting. After all, press, it's okay. And next one is the VT system. The same operation, you can choose the parameter, setting the parameters here, and the frequency here. After setting everything, just save and then ready.